In this clip, we are going to see how the external gear pump works, what are its principal parts, and how this pump delivers high pressure hydraulic oil. Talking about the construction, external gear pump basically includes two gears. One is called as a driving gear and another is called as a driven gear. Then third component is casing, in which these two gears will be accommodated. Then next is the inlet port through which the hydraulic oil will enter inside the pump, and next one is outlet port through which hydraulic oil will be delivered at some higher pressure from the pump. So as we can see in this particular figure, there are two gears which will be having external teeth over its periphery. That's why this type of pump is called as external gear pump. Out of which one gear will be driving gear, which will be connected to the electric motor, and another gear will be a driven gear, since both the gears are kept in mesh with each other. So since one gear is going to rotate in clockwise direction, another gear is going to rotate in anti-clockwise direction because of this physical mesh. So when the gears will start rotating in their respective directions, the suction will be created near this inlet port and hydraulic oil will enter through this inlet port. These hydraulic particles will be driven towards the outlet port from this particular channel, as we can see in second figure, like this, and it is going to get accumulated near this outlet port and some high pressure will be built up, and at particular high pressure that hydraulic oil will be delivered from the outlet port. So this is how the external gear pump works. So let us see the animation of it. So as you can see, one gear is rotating in clockwise direction and another gear is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. Because of this opposite rotation, the fluid particles are going to enter from suction port, or we can say inlet port. It is going to get driven towards the outlet port through this channel, and at outlet port at some higher pressure, it is going to be delivered to the required application area. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can post it out in the comment section. If you are finding the content of this channel really helpful and interesting, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.